Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss knowledge article in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Field Service. So in this video, we are going to cover what are knowledge article and how to create knowledge article and review knowledge article and how to publish knowledge article and how to update knowledge article in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Field Service. So what are knowledge article? A knowledge article is a piece of content stored in Dynamics 365 that contain information to help users solve problem, understand product as follow procedure. These can be technical guides, how to article or even customer service script. Now, how to create knowledge article. In a field service app, go to the setting area and under the knowledge management, click on knowledge article from here and select new and new from template from here. Like if I am selecting new button from here. So on the content tab, article content section, fill in the following detail. So title, a descriptive title that communicate the subject and purpose of the article in a concise manner. Keyword, type or select keyword. For the article, these keywords are used to search the knowledge base for article separate keyword with commas. And in the content section, add the content for your knowledge article. Add text, picture and videos to the knowledge article. Like if I am giving a title as Contoso Coffee, give the keyword as Contoso, and like if I'm giving a description as testing. And in the content editor panel consists of three tabs: designer, HTML and preview. Designer, author and edit the article here. Benefit for the enhanced and rich text editing capabilities. HTML, view the HTML preview of the content here. You can author or edit the article in the HTML tab also. And preview, see how your content would look on device like desktop, tablet or mobile. Like if I'm giving in a designer as enter text and now click on save button from here. Now review a knowledge article. To ensure that the content you create is accurate, have someone review it. You can mark an article for review or directly assign it to a specific person. Now open the article, like change the status reason, needs review. Optionally, you can assign the article to the reviewer. Like review can change the status reason in review when reviewing the article. And when the review is satisfied with the article, on the command bar, select the more command and then approve the article from here. Okay. Now, how to publish the knowledge article. After the content in the article is complete, publish the article to make it available to your technician. So you can publish the article immediately or schedule it for a later time. Now, on the command bar, select the more command from here and then click on publish from here. Enter the following information. Publish. Select whether you want to publish the knowledge article now or in the future. To publish the article in the future, in the publish on field, select a date and time from here. Now select as now and publish status. Select the status article will hold once published. By default, publish is selected. And the expiration date. Select a date and time for when you want the publish to expire if any expired article are no longer available in searches. If you set an expiration date, select the state and the status that the knowledge article should be set to after it expire. Now select the date from here and publish approval related translation with article. Select yes if you want to publish all related translated article with the article. Now click on publish button from here. Now, how to update the knowledge article? Like, you might want to update a published knowledge article without creating a major or minor version. For example, like to fix grammatical error or make minor update based on feedback. User with published privilege can update a published article. So first open the published article you want to edit. So open it first and like make the necessary changes if you want, and on the command bar select more command from here and then click on update from here and then click on OK. So in this video we covered what are knowledge article, how to create knowledge article and review knowledge article, how to publish knowledge article, and how to update knowledge article in Microsoft Dynamics 365 field service. Thanks for watching.